Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to like or unlike someone on Tinder. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and right now we're looking at how to like or unlike someone on Tinder. Well, here are a few options. Right here, the heart icon means that you like them, and the cross icon means that you unlike them. Likewise, the left arrow means nope, and the right arrow means like. Similarly, in case you like someone, all you need to do is swipe right. I'm gonna do it right now, and as you can see, I have liked them. In case you don't like them, what you can do is simply swipe left. You can also click on the heart icon to showcase that you like them, else you can click on the cross icon if you unlike them. Well guys, that's it. That's how we like and unlike someone on Tinder. It's quite easy. I hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.